Don't poop on Daddy now. Come on. You want some cornflakes, Dakota? Want some cornflakes, dude? You want some ice cream? How about a hamburger? Can you say let's have a hamburger, Daddy? Speak.
Before giving up on Daryl's earnest efforts, I thought I'd throw him one last bone.
She's speaking here. She's speaking. You see her mouth open some right here.
So the family and I gathered round and tried to believe.
Say, I love you. Tell Daddy you want to go see Grandma.
Come on, Dakota.
Come on. You want to go to Grandma's house to see Minnie?
Want to go for a ride? Okay, guys. That's our plan. Let's go. Come on.